Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today is the Wednesday 25th of May. It's just gone 7:30 in the evening. As you can see, the hedge is looking really well at the moment. Bit breezy this evening, but everything is really starting to look nice. If you come around here, you can just see, shut the gate, we have my beautiful, absolutely stunning perennial geranium. Sorry about the paint, been decorating today. Perennial geranium next to my beautiful tree lilies with the flower buds just starting to form. Next to that we have a self-seeder hollyhock, which I'm looking forward to seeing what colour that's going to be this year. We come round here, we have my fuchsia. The flower buds are just starting to fatten up there nicely. Just get a quick look from here. The baskets and my vertical planter is looking really good. Come down here, Mr. Wine White Phlox. It's a scented variety, so I am really looking forward to that flowering. This is my Hosta. Let's put some slug pellets down, because look at this. Slugs and snails absolutely love hostas. That is getting absolutely massacred. We come down here, this is my daylilies. This flowers, as it says, each flower open just for a day, but you normally get 5 or 6 flowers on each stem. Look at that little snail there. See it in there? Oh, a couple. That's what's been damaging everything. Quite a few actually, look at those. So, this is what's been causing all the damage. We come here, my beautiful lupins, purple, absolutely gorgeous. Next to that, some more tree lilies here, gorgeous. We come round here, we have another hollyhock, which is going to flower nicely. This Aquilegia Columbine, Easter bonnet also known as. And then we'll come back here, a little look from here, everything is starting to look really nice. This is, just want to show you, rust. This is rust on a hollyhock. This has to be sprayed. Just see the pustules there that cause the leaves to deform as they're growing. Some people don't treat it, but I prefer to, because they just look terrible if you don't treat them. These are my Aquilegias Columbine, Easter bonnet. Once the flowers have dropped off, before it can set seed, I like to cut them back down to there. That way you stop them self-seeding everywhere, because if you leave them, you'll just end up with hundreds of them all over the place. Come round here, lily beetles. I'm going to have to buy some spray for those, because they're absolutely covered in them. Let's have a look at this lupin here. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Next to that, we have a daylily there. And then we also have this is a white carnation, known as a pink. And then next to that, this beautiful foxglove. There's 1, 2, 3 there. Just show you, this one's starting to flower. The foxglove flowers, beautiful pinkish purpley colour. Come back here, there's another lupin just coming through there. We come round, we have this peony. These just starting to fatten up nicely. This one has stopped producing any sap on that one, but the one that's a little bit younger is still forming sap, and the ants absolutely love it. Come down here, some more hostas, some slug and snail damage, and then a hollyhock. That is the flower head. That will straighten up. Yeah, so this one will straighten up, and that will produce all the flowers with the bud there. The sun's just come out, which is beautiful. This is one of my favourite Aquilegias there. I love the colours there, with the dark purple and white. Look at these sticky buds. Just keep pulling these off. Just there. Just get hold of them on the bottom like so. And they just pull out really easily. These can take over if you don't keep on top of them. I mean, I do clear them from here, and we have Delphinium. This is one of the grown from seed several years ago. But it produces lovely flowers on that. As we come round here, this beautiful hollyhock there, next to this peony. Next to this peony, which is going to flower really, really nicely. Then we have clematis, just getting a flower on there. And the peony at the back there just stopped flowering there. Then we have here Diane Joyce, this oriental poppy, which is looking really, really well. That is a really nice white Columbine, which you don't see many of, not that size anyway. This, as you can see, I just let it grow wild. I did this last year. I'll probably go in the next few days and just pull some of those weeds out. But I like just leaving that area. My cat loves it. Goes in there, especially when it gets really warm. Just sleeps underneath all the flowers and weeds. But yeah, this poppy here, beautiful bright orange. Then we come down here, this peony here. This is a really firm flower bud. That is going to look absolutely stunning when it flowers. And then down here, forget-me-nots on the bottom. And this is a Delphinium. The first time I've seen this one flower, I am absolutely stunned with this. That's my hand. So you see the size of the flowers there. Beautiful black centres to them, which I absolutely love. And I love them that size, perfect. Because I've grown them before and they grow 7 or 8 feet high. This one is perfect for my little cottage garden, this one. So, a few more sticky buds to pull up here. Like I said, I don't mind them growing that left-hand border, but they can stay there. They're not getting in the rest of my border. As I go around, all I do is just pull a few out, easy peasy. And that way you keep on top of it without having to weed every day, every week. But yeah, next to that we have my lupin, another purple one. As you come down here, my white phlox, which will get big, it's just starting to form some flower buds, and that getting flower next few weeks. Then we have my bearded iris, that'll open in the next few days. Come down here, some more aqualegias next to more lupins, which is great. And then we have this, which is my Lucifer, which is Acrocosmia. It's beautiful. And then my first bearded iris of the year. Just want to see the size of my hand next to it. If you look in there, that's why they call it a bearded iris. See the little tongue there? Absolutely amazing colours. I love that. And then as we come round here, we're back at the front now. Here's my vertical planter in the corner. Just see it over there. This is my begonia, which is beautiful red colours. I pruned that back yesterday, so that'll start growing really, really well now. Next to that we have this foxglove. People ask me if you can grow in pots. I think that shows you yes. They do grow in pots really, really well. That's going to flower really, really nicely. Here's what I got from my local shop the other day. They were on offer. I think I paid £1 each for these. 6. Look at the root systems on there. That's because they're the only plants I bought this year, I think. My first hanging basket. Surrounded by petunias, which I sprayed for powdery mildew yesterday, because I noticed that. Begonias and a couple of pelargoniums. Hanging basket next to that. These are from last year, these flowers, these ones. These are grown from seed this year. So that is going to be a beautiful combination there. So I'm so looking forward to those filling out. As we come down here, this is a carnation, a pink, that is just flowering nicely. That was grown from seed a couple of years ago. There's some cosmos ready to go in. Some sweet peas that are just starting to flower there, and they smell absolutely divine. As we come round here, we have some marigolds, some violas, which look absolutely amazing at the moment. And in the centre, this is a dinner plate dahlia, Cafe au lait. So next to that, in the border, this beautiful, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, yeah, this beautiful hosta. Next to that, some tree lilies that'll be flowering soon. And then we have some agapanthus. These are called Queen Mum. You can see the 6-month slow release fertiliser down there. Next to that, we have my sweet pea frame. This is caffeole, and it's got sweet peas growing up the middle there. Just see them there, with a surrounded by marigolds. And then over the edge, we have these petunias that are grown from seed. So come back round here. We have my Petunia Tower, my vertical planter, tipsy top planter. As you can see, these were from last year. Beautiful big flowers. And then we've got these midnight something. These are dahlias. This is the only thing that these were all left from last year, the pots. I just fetched them out, put the poles back through, replanted them. This dahlia grew from last year, so that's looking really, really nice. A new petunia there from this year's lot. As we come round here, we have my Delphinium, which is absolutely amazing colour when that flowers. Then we have an opium poppy here, Papaver somniferum. This is just sending out a beautiful long spike, and hopefully that will flower soon. We come round here, we have my beautiful clematis. This is the best this has ever flowered. This is absolutely outstanding. Then we come round here, I don't know if you see that, my first sweet pea flower on my frame there. I sit down in my favourite little chair. And here we have, there's an opium poppy there, sweet peas growing all the way around, producing beautiful flower spikes now, and the scent on them is amazing. Got gladioli growing here, these are from last year, and a row of petunias all the way around the edge, all grown from seed. As we come around here, some foxgloves growing in pots, silver birch tree, some agapanthus there. This is the third year of these agapanthus, so hopefully these will flower this year. And that's it, a quick tour of my garden. If you've got any questions about anything growing in here, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.